Higher consciousness is a tool that we all have access to, and few tap into it, but it's not here to serve you. Tune in and let's talk about it. So, to define higher consciousness for you, because I think the term is used occasionally, but not everyone knows what it means. Most people believe we have three levels of consciousness: our subconscious, you've heard of, our conscious mind, you've heard of, and our higher self or higher consciousness. And sometimes myself and others refer to it as inner wisdom, which may be a more comfortable term for you. But it's known in the cosmos as higher consciousness, and it is our divinity. It's in all of us. And we each have our own little piece of it that comes to the planet in us that makes us so very special, unique, and divine. I know that might be uncomfortable for a lot of you to hear because we have this religious programming that tells us we're unworthy, and that's so inaccurate and wrong. There's a lot of mistruths, misinformation, distortions out there that I'm going to help bust. So stay tuned and be sure to hit subscribe on this channel so you don't miss any of that. So let's talk about the distortion around higher consciousness. We all have it. We are all very worthy and have this divinity inside of us, which is where what some people think of as intuition, it's not actually what that is, but it's where our creativity, imagination, and claircognizance or other clairsenses all come from. Our higher self leads us in the most scintillating pursuits we may think of. It all comes from them. I say them because it's not really male or female, it's androgynous. It has that beautiful male and female energy blend that we all need to accomplish anything. Our higher self is there to guide us and to ensure that we are living our most fulfilling life possible in service to others. So here's one of the distortions I wanted to correct. I have heard people in the spiritual space say that the higher self is available and there to serve us. And it is of service for us to tune in and listen. We should all be doing that. It is of service to us, but it's there to help us live the most fulfilled life possible and to serve others. Our path and purpose on this planet is all tied up around serving humanity. Maybe not in a humongous way. Maybe it's one person at a time, which is the best way to do anything. One little chunk, one little step forward at a time. But the way we show up and serve humanity will, if we allow it, be guided by our inner wisdom or higher self. And too many people tune that out. So I just want to do a quick synopsis beyond what it is on how to tap into it. And I have a resource, a free resource in the comments where you can get a little more training on this. So be sure to check that out. So your higher self can come in at a lot of different times throughout your life. And I'm sure you have had these times where what I refer to as claircognizance comes in, where you have a deep, deep knowing. You just know something without actually having been told or researched it. You just know it, and you don't know how you know it. That's claircognizance. And there are some other clairs that I detail out and help you understand in the free resource. But what I want you to get from this is that this guidance and this awareness of where you should be going and how you can best serve others, which is our path and purpose, is always available to us. And if you are not trusting yourself, doubting, spinning your wheels, feeling like you're not aligned or you're purposeless, you're rudderless, you're wasting your time and energy in a thankless job with a thankless boss. I know a lot of people have had that experience, if not currently. I really encourage you to check out the link training And explore this further. Tap into your inner wisdom and allow it to lead you to your greatest calling. It doesn't have to be gargantuan. You may not be here to serve millions of people. Most people aren't. You may be here to impact your family and friends with your beautiful energy. But whatever that is, you can tap into it and do it better when you open up to your higher guidance, your inner wisdom. So thanks for tuning in today. Be sure to hit subscribe so you stay in touch on all of our future trainings, and I'll see you on the next video.